Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to use the grip arm on your ROBOROCK Saros Z70. To use the grip arm, which can pick up objects and place them somewhere else, first let's see the settings. For that, you can click on the settings button in the top right corner, then find Robotic Arm Settings. Now you can disable or enable it. Once it's enabled, you can enable follow-up cleaning, which means during cleaning, the robot will move items on the floor to cleaned area to ensure optimum cleaning. And as you can see, it says currently the robotic arm can pick up fabrics, paper balls, shoes, and more items are on the way. Then automatic sorting can be enabled if you set the storage zones, which I'll show you how to do in a moment. You can also do manual sorting, which means that it marks items on the floor, and you will be able to decide what to put and where. Then remote control to pick up will basically let you remotely access the robot and view the camera on it and pick up things like that. And there's also dynamic obstacle avoidance, which means when the robot detects obstacles around the robotic arm during operation. And yeah, if an obstacle is detected, the robot will stop. But false detections may cause unexpected stops. You can retract if it is currently out and stopped. If something happened and it's just stopped, you can retract it from here. And now let's talk about the storage zones. So if I click on a map editing button, I can click on storage zones, and then I will be able to find different zones that I have already created. These are for the slippers, and these are for fabrics. So yeah, by the way, it can be resized as well. And this is going to be a box for fabrics, and this is just an area on the ground where the slippers will be put, if found, of course. And that is basically it about the robotic arm. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.